Good morning, guys. This is Jeni's Guide tutorial. My name is Celeste. I'll be teaching guys today on how to solve wave equations. Now, I have this question. As example one say that a plane progressive wave is represented by the equation y equals to a sine bracket 2000 pi t minus pi x over what 17. Now, therefore, where the symbols have their usual meanings, now you have to do what? You have to calculate. Now you have to calculate the what? The wavelength of the wave, and its speed, and its frequency, and then IV its period. And therefore, solution. This is the wave equation they give you to solve. Now, therefore, now a normal wave equation is what? Y is what? A sine bracket 2 pi ft over lambda minus 2 pi s over lambda. Now, this is the wave equation. This is normal wave equation. And therefore, after doing that, now number one say that we should find the wavelength of the wave. And you know that for you to find the wavelength of the wave, you have to first find the frequency. Now, therefore, to find the frequency here is, I know that if you check between these two equations, which one has frequency here? This one has frequency, right? And if you check between these two equations, which one contain t? This one contain t, right? Now that means that we have to take this equation and this equation in order to find the one frequency. And therefore, to find the frequency, now becomes 2 pi ft over lambda is equals to, if you collect this equation from this wave equation, that is equal to 2000 pi what t over what lambda. Now, therefore, what you do what? You cross what? Multiply. If you multiply this, that becomes 2 pi ft times lambda will give you what? 2 pi ft lambda is equal to what? 2000 pi t times lambda will give you 2000 pi t lambda. And therefore, what you do now? Divide by coefficient of frequency, and the coefficient of frequency here is 2 pi t lambda all over 2 pi t lambda. So if you cancel out this, now here remain frequency. So if you cancel out this, then 2 divided itself 1, divide 2000 is 1000, and therefore the frequency is what? Is 1000 Hz. Now, after finding the frequency, now let's find the wavelength. Now, to find the wavelength, if you check this is the wavelength equation, and this is also this equation match with this equation. Now therefore, I have to take this equation and this what equation, okay? And therefore, that becomes what? That becomes, to find the wavelength is equals what? We have this at 2 pi s over lambda is equals what? Is equal to pi s over what? 17. And therefore, what do you do? You do what? You cross multiply this. That becomes 2 pi s times 17 will give you what? That 4 pi x is equal to pi s times lambda will give you what? Lambda pi s. And therefore, what do you do? Divide by coefficient of lambda all over pi s all over pi s. So if you cancel out, that remains lambda. Lambda is equals to what? So if you cancel out this, that becomes what? 34 meter. Now, therefore, lambda is 34 meter. Now, after doing that, to find the speed, I know that to find speed of a wave is given by v equals what? Lambda f, where v is the velocity, and that's the speed, and this is the lambda, f is the frequency. So that becomes what? My lambda is 34 times my frequency is what? 1000. So that becomes 34 times 1000. That will give you what? 34,000 meter per second. So therefore, my speed is what? 34,000 meter per second. Now, again, to find its period, and I know that to find its period now is what? I know that period is equal to t equals 1 over f. So that becomes equal to 1 over, my frequency here is what? My frequency is 1000, right? So that becomes 1 over 1000. Now, therefore, my period is 0.001 seconds. So, guys, this is the end of this. This is the end of this solving. So please, guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.